Hello, my people. Guys, good day to you all. My beautiful, wonderful people. Today is the first day for seeing this our video. Please subscribe to Godsend and Precious TV. For our ultimate subscriber, we really appreciate you guys. We thank you now because you guys make it possible for us. We thank you guys for being there for us, for the love, for your care, for sharing our video, for thumbs up for us, for dropping comment. We love you guys. We really appreciate you guys. Today, like I always said before, that this our TV, in this our TV, we talk about many things. We talk about life experience. We talk about marital home. We talk about relationship. We talk about everything. Let's say, for example, something happened to your friend. You use it to advise yourself. We talk about life, that especially love. We talk about love because love is everything for life. If you don't love your neighbor, even Bible makes us understand that love your neighbor the way you love yourself. We talk about love everybody, love even though don't have enemy. For me, I don't have enemy. I don't even know enemies exist because I don't know what is enemy. I can't even explain it because the only thing I know in this life, if you offend me, I fire you direct, finish from my mind. That's the reason why I don't know what is enemy. So forget those who offend you. And if you offend somebody, try. Don't claim rights because nobody is perfect. Don't claim rights. Go to that person, say, I'm sorry, I don't know that the thing I did will offend you or this. Apologize. Our people used to make parable say they cannot beat a child for saying, Mommy, sorry, Mommy, our mother or our father will beat him or her. No. Emotionally, that sorry will touch the person's heart, will forgive him or her. So try to love your neighbor the way you love yourself. And number two, we say all kind of thing, anything you need. We say Brazilian, Haitian hair, we have it. We see it said clothes, even though this gown that I put on, if you like it. Sorry that I do short video. When I see the gown, if you like it, or any kind of hair you need, if you have any kind of hair you need, we have it. Just inbox all. So today I come this thing and be bothering me. I don't even know how to say it because I'm be asking myself. It's two things. I'll be asking myself how this thing work. Because first of all, the first one go like this. People say money is everything. Yeah, check too. Money is everything. You can buy. If you have money, you can build estates. You can build filling station. You can build Korum. The whole world will know you. Google will know you. Social media will know you. All over the world, you will have many friends. You will have people under you. You will be controlling people because of money. But sorry to ask, if you don't have a child, you call. Because people say money is everything. But for my own understanding, I think it is true. Child is everything. Because if you don't have money, you have a little money. The little money you have today, you use to train your children, give them a better future, take care of them. Tomorrow, if they have, they will come and raise you, right or wrong. So that is the reason why I say, and we come out so that people will make me understand, because maybe it's wrong way that I'm taking it to, or right way, because on my own understanding, I think child is everything. Children. If it's children is everything. But people say money talk everything. I mean, money do everything. Sorry, I never see where they use the money to buy PKO. Then I adopt, I buy, I be the same. I never see where they use money. I buy this child 3 point video. I buy this child 3 point video. I buy this my beautiful child or beautiful. I've never heard that. I've never seen it before. That's the reason why I come out. Please, my beautiful people, put me through, because I'm be thinking about this thing. Because many people in this Europe, especially this Europe, they will be 25 years. 30, 35, even 40. They don't have serious boyfriend. If you ask them, what are you doing since? You will say, I was looking for money. I want to pay my younger one's school fees. I want to open stuff for my mother. I want to build the place. I do not use this to advise you guys to not do anything for your family, but I'm just saying things. I'm just saying things. My life of experience, I'm just saying it. So I did not say you should not do anything for your family. Because our people make parable say if you born a child will born you too. So I need this question. This answer, sorry. I need this answer because I'll be asking myself, please guys, my answer is this. Money and kids. Let's say children. Money and children, which one dey important pass? Because I know say money still dey important though. That is the reason why I need this answer. Please guys, if you watch this my video, make you know, just settle down, watch this video, listen to my question, so that you will drop the answer for the comment below. Now I will read your comment. I see whether it's my own understanding is wrong one or the other one is right. I'm wrong or right. Please guys, if you finish watch this video, please, if you want to share, you are free to share. You are free to share to your family, your friend, your loved one. Continue to watch our video. Please, if you see this beautiful video, you are not yet subscribed. You see that button, that red button with the right subscribe put. Brother, sister, friend, family, subscribe for God Send That Precious TV. After you subscribe first, you see one thing will be thumbs up, not be the down one, the up one, you thumbs up for all. And this word when I talk so, for your own understanding too, you drop out for comment below. And after you do that for us, I will be happy. For my family, my whole time subscribe, because una not be my subscriber again. Una be my family, my lovely one. Una where dey my heart, the way I dey always dey talk am. If you guys love me one, I love you times 20. Because without you guys, there will not be God Send That Precious TV. You guys encourage us. You guys make it possible for us. And I still beg you guys to continue supporting us. Continue encouraging us. As you do, God in heaven will be the one that will reward you, not me. I will come and reward you. Is God in heaven will reward you, will grant you all your heart desire. Everything you need in life, you shall have it. If you are not yet having child, God will give you your child. If you don't have money, God will give you money. All your heart desire, your secret prayer, God Almighty will grant it for you. I don't know your heart desire, but I believe Jehovah Nissi know your heart desire. God will grant it for you. And like as I said before, please, as you watch this video, do not forget to drop your comment, for your own understanding. Do not forget to drop it. As you do, God bless you. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.